Hi, I'm Amit Puri, Technical Solutions Executive at Autodesk. I'm going to be talking about how you can digitize your drawings and documents for the field using PlanGrid. Firstly, I'll be showing you the PlanGrid app, so you can see already my iPad screen and the EMEA master project. And you can see already there's some digitized drawings that you can access. I'll also be showing you what that setup process looks like of when you upload your drawings, your documents, like your specifications, your schedules, maybe even your risk assessments and so on. Essentially, that process is a very simple and straightforward one, which is done on the PlanGrid website. So I'll be showing you that very shortly. So as you know, traditional paper-based methods of accessing your drawings and your detailed information is nothing short of typically a very cumbersome, admin-intensive, slow, and a very risky process. Because you could basically be building from the wrong information and causing all sorts of different problems, which have various knock-on effects from trade to trade, causing delays and causing rework. So being able to digitize this entire process, PlanGrid enables you to work to more accuracy, building to a high level of quality, which means that you're reducing rework as well as costs, and delivering your projects on time. And with how PlanGrid works, being able to access all that information on site via your tablet in hand, it means that you're working a lot more productively. So when you upload all your drawings, which are PDFs in PlanGrid, those PDFs are converted to a much lighter file format. So that means you can access quite literally thousands of your drawings and documents. So I'll show you what this looks like in terms of drawings. If I just click into this drawing here, you can see it's opened. I can zoom into particular areas, very smooth. This is the fast rendering capability within PlanGrid. And you can also see there's these hyperlinks, these sort of purple looking hyperlinks. Again, with PlanGrid, when you upload a number of drawings, as long as the drawing number is within these hyperlinked areas, you can click into them because PlanGrid will automatically link your drawings for you. So I can click into that more detailed drawing, as you can see. And I can quickly go back to the original drawing as well. If I just swipe up, you can see I can view older versions, and PlanGrid is telling me that I'm looking at an older version. What I can also do is I can compare two drawings with one another, and this could be any two drawings, not just the same drawing in two versions. And there's various features like that that PlanGrid enables. Now, I won't go into too much detail in terms of markup capability. That will be for another article. But you can see on the right-hand side the markup toolbar, and you can see on this drawing there's various types of markup capability. Measurements, red line markups, being able to create tasks such as snags, delays, even RFIs. Take photos, and so on. And this is all part of that digitization process that PlanGrid is enabling. If I just come out of the drawings and click into documents, so in a very similar process, you can access all of your documents too. So now, if you imagine you're on site, you have your drawings to hand. Now you can also access your specifications and schedules, as I mentioned previously, to view that more detailed information alongside your drawings. So I can click into my specifications folder. So I can set up a folder structure. I can upload any type of document in terms of a file type. So PDFs, DWGs, Revit files, you name it. We support up to 27 different file types. And I can click into this document here, and it allows me to view, as you can see, and this is completely offline as well. And just like what you can do with drawings, which I'll be showing you in just a second, you can even do text search within the document as well. So it's a very smart way of being able to quickly find and access detailed information. Just like I can with the search bar at the top here, I can search for quite literally anything in relation to my drawings, and I'll be able to find detailed information. So again, if I was to type maybe door this time, it's found various matches. And then I can click into the relevant drawings. And you can see the hyperlinked text. We've also got project tags, which is a great way of being able to apply filters essentially to your drawings to be able to search for exactly what you're looking for. So if you have uploaded thousands of drawings, by creating project tags, again, this is part of the setup process which you do on the PlanGrid website, you can apply different types of tags, and the tags will allow you to find exactly what you're looking for. So it kind of acts in a very similar way, acts like a folder structure system. Okay, so that's essentially what your digitized drawings and documents look like on the PlanGrid app. If I just move over to the PlanGrid website now, it's actually very much similar in terms of what you can do on the PlanGrid app, you can actually do on the PlanGrid web as well. So I can access all of my drawings, I can go into any of these drawings, I can mark them up, creating tasks, doing red line markups and all sorts of cool stuff like that. So if I just go into upload sheets here, just to start the upload process. So this is very much the same for if I'm uploading a new drawing to the project or uploading a drawing that's a new version. What's required is, as part of this 4-step process, is to input an issuance date. So that could be the date of upload, or it could be the date that's set against any revisions made within your drawings. So I can select today's date in terms of upload date. I can input a version set name. And again, this is very flexible in terms of how you set the standard for your projects. So this could be quite simply a construction status, or maybe you want to be specific in terms of drawing type or discipline. And on top of that, you may want to input a revision number. So as you can see here, I've done all 3 of those. And that just means for me, I'll be able to then quite easily be able to select the different version set names for my drawings, and I know exactly what I'm looking for. So as an example, I will also follow that same standard and input the revision date, which was, let's say, for yesterday, and then select next. Now, if I've uploaded a number of drawings and I want to add a drawing to an existing version set, then I would select this option over here. So I'm going to go to the next step, which is where I'd upload my sheets. So you can drag and drop your PDF file within, or files within this space, where you can basically do a bulk upload. I can also select from computer here, and I can also select from the cloud, which allows me to select from any of the following connections of different cloud storage databases. So I'm going to select a drawing now as an example, just to show you what the process involves. And now select Start Upload. And this is where PlanGrid will start to extract key information. As part of the 3rd step, it's to extract the sheet number. So PlanGrid will automatically detect the sheet number according to the title block area within your drawing. So you can see it's found that it's A101 as a sheet number. But let's say that's not what you want to use. Maybe you want to use a file name. I can actually select that option for one drawing or several others if that's what I've uploaded, and actually just say use PDF file name as sheet number. So there's an option. Or let's say, for whatever reason, when you've uploaded your drawings, maybe the title block isn't in the bottom right-hand corner, it's in the top right-hand corner. And so PlanGrid hasn't automatically detected it. So you can tell PlanGrid where to look as well, which is a great feature where I can, for example, select that drawing or several others and choose area for sheet number extraction. So I can zoom in to the area, create sort of a hyperlink of that text. And this is where the OCR technology within PlanGrid allows it to capture this kind of information. So there you go. It's again, it's input A101. I'm actually going to just select file name. And actually by selecting file name, I can then select to remove certain characters off the file name. Let's say if there's a revision number that's included within it and you don't want that to appear as your drawing number. So I'm just going to use PDF file name. And you can see this is the first time that I'm uploading this drawing, hence there's no revision history. Sheet numbers are correct, so I'll go on to the next step. And this is in relation to now sheet titles. Now PlanGrid doesn't automatically detect the sheet title unless you have a drawing index or a cover sheet that you upload with all of your drawings. So if you do have a cover sheet that you upload, then PlanGrid will automatically detect from that cover sheet your sheet titles, because the cover sheet will have both sheet number and sheet title within it, and PlanGrid is able to work from that. But again, you have the extraction process. So I can just tell PlanGrid where to look. And the great thing about this is, once you tell PlanGrid where to look, and when you upload these drawings again, or newer versions of these drawings, it automatically know what the title and the number is in future. So you don't have to do it again. So I'm just going to select floor plan. Obviously text direction is horizontal already, and apply that. You will always have the option to input the sheet number or title manually as well. So maybe if you wanted to be more specific, you could be. And what you also have is the ability to apply these tags. So if you remember when I showed you on the app, the different types of tags that you can apply, you get some tags that you can, sort of predefined tags that you can apply at this stage, but you can also apply these tags at any stage during your project too. So for this particular one, I can say that it's an architectural drawing, and it's also a floor plan. I'm now happy to publish those drawings to the project. And all that's required now is for me to access it on the app, is just to do a quick sync, and it'll sync for any changes. And there you have it. I have access to my latest drawings. I just want to quickly show you what the process is for documents too. So if I click into documents, I've already got a folder structure set up, as you can see here. It's a very simple process where I can actually create new folders and subfolders, and just select to upload files as well. So for example, if I wanted to upload maybe a revised version of this Windows specification, there's also version control with documents too, just like there is with sheets. So I can upload files. Again, I can drag and drop. I can find any type of document that I would want to upload here. There's various different options. So as an example, I'll just use this as a Word document. And there you go, I'm done uploading. What I can also do is Obviously that's not put into the right folder. I can actually just change the location. So I'll stick it in there and save changes. And there you go. Just going back to sheets, view all of my sheets. I can also view in grid view. And you can see what version of the drawings there are as well, V1, 2, 3, and so on. And there you have it. That's very much the process. It's a very straightforward one. It's designed like that, obviously, to just make life a lot easier, so that you're not having to do things that in that traditional paper-based way. Thank you for your time.